Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to show you all of my sticker binders. Now, if you saw the earlier sticker video in this video series, my Use All the Things challenge, then you saw my sticker books. But I also have sticker binders, which is where I keep all my loose stickers, sticker kits that I may purchase from Etsy shops or shops that I do PR for, or any type of random sticker that does not come in a book. So I have a few sticker binders and I am on a mission to use all of my stickers because I have been guilty of hoarding stickers in the past, but like I said, I'm really focusing on using all the things. Now, my sticker organization is not great. It does work. However, I am open to suggestions. If you can let me know of another way, to make this better. Because, I'm doing this and it works for the most part, but there's always room for improvement. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is the first binder I have. This is an Avery half sheet size binder. So it's not the full size, it's the, the little, is it 8x5 or whatever. But I bought this many years ago, I think at Target, and it has a clear pocket so you can slip something in there. But all I use are the half-size sheet protectors, and then I put these stickers inside there, and that's pretty much all I do. Now this particular binder doesn't have any type of order or organization. It's just sticker kits that I have not used or partially used sticker kits. And the nice thing about this is that I can flip through, and if I'm looking for a particular sticker, I literally can see everything that I have, at least for the most part. But they're not organized by shop or alphabetical order or type or season, nothing like that. It's just stickers that I have thrown in here randomly. I have holiday stickers, like I said, partially used sticker kits, leftovers. Sometimes I get lazy and I'll just throw a sheet in here. But for the most part, this has been working. Now sometimes when I get a new sticker kit, I will, I will open the stickers to make sure they're okay, and then I'll just throw the whole pack here in the back, because sometimes they're a little bulky to slip into one of the sheet protectors. So if I have brand new sticker kits, I usually keep them here in the back. So as you can see, I have a lot of partially used sticker sheets that I'm trying to use up. But, it's a lot, and like I said, it's not very organized, but at least everything is in one place and it works for me. So this is binder number 1. The next binder I have is my Sticker Geek Designs binder. Now this is a binder I got when I went to Go Wild in Las Vegas this year, because I sat at the Sticker Geek Designs table, sponsored table, and so she gave us a binder that had some stickers in there. Now I also do PR for Sticker Geek Designs, so I keep all of her stickers in its own specific binder. Now this is one of my favorite sticker shops. I have shared this with you guys many times, and I will be sharing some new stuff that she has coming out as soon as I get my order. But you can see she's got beautiful stickers, and so what I do is it's the same system. I just use this binder, it's the half-size binder, and then I put them in these sheet protectors. Now I have a hard time not hoarding her stickers because they're so gorgeous, and sometimes I don't want to use them, but I'm trying to stay away from that. But as you can see, this works really well for organizing this particular sticker shop's stickers. And like I said, because I do PR for her, it helps to have her stickers separate, because sometimes I want to do specific, social posts or spreads using just her stickers. Now the other binder I have is one I picked up at Michael's. This is a Chrissy Designs binder and I absolutely love it. I bought this with the coupon a few months ago, I think earlier this past summer. And I had found that I was starting to get quite a few Chrissy Design stickers. And so I said, let me just go ahead and get her binder because I had placed an order and then I bought a lot of her stickers from Michael's. Now her stickers I do use because you know, depending on what color scheme you're going for, some of these stickers work really well. And then some of them I have not used at all, like the food stickers I haven't really used. But like her full-size boxes and her color boxes and stuff, those I have used. And I really love her stickers. So these are the ones that come from Michael's here. And then these are the ones that when you order, the sticker sheet is just a little bit larger. And I have used quite a few of those as well. And then I also have these sheet protectors here where some of these stickers were not punched, so I put them in the sheet protectors. And then this was a sticker sheet we got at Go Wild. So this is another brand specific binder that I do have and that I absolutely love and that I am using, which I'm proud to say. Now these next two binders don't have a whole lot in them, but it basically is an overflow binder. Now when I went to Go Wild, I got quite a few sticker sampler sheets and you know the little small sticker samplers. So this was one of the free binders that we got at Go Wild by Avery. And so I just used it to kind of put some sticker samples that I got. And these are the little zip pouches that came from Walmart with the Traveler. Oh no, they didn't come with the Traveler's notebooks. But I threw them in here, and then in here is all the larger size sticker sample sheets that we got at Go Wild. Now I tried to put them in the other binder, but this binder was just too full and too thick, so this has become the Overflow. And that's pretty much all I have in here. And then these are the divider pockets that came with the binder. And then I have some extra sheet protectors back here. So again, these are not brand or shop specific. They are just random stickers that I want to use up. And I have plenty of room in this binder because I think I only have that one sheet. And then in here I have some stamps there, and then these are just some washi tape cards that I got at Go Wild. So this is the Overflow binder. Oh, and then here on the cover are the Erin Condren Go Wild Las Vegas stickers. I think I got this at Go Wild, or I either ordered it when I purchased my Go Wild planner cover, I think. And then finally, which I have showed this before, this is my sticker storage for all of my sticker samplers, sticker sheets, freebies that you get when you order stickers. Now, like I said, when I went to Go Wild, you get so many sticker samplers. Like, I mean, I'm not even exaggerating, probably like at least 100. So what I did is I made this little organizer and I put pockets on here, and then I put the little samplers in there. This is one of the larger sheets. I think I had it in the back. But I have been using up a lot of these stickers because sometimes you only get enough, you know, for one day or maybe one page, depending on what size planner you're using. So I really like this. This is working out really well because I can see everything that I have, and because the stickers are so small, it's easy to kind of, you know, keep them in here. So even when I don't, even if it's not a sticker sampler that I got at Go Wild, if I order stickers and I get a sampler or a freebie, I throw it in this book here. And like I said, it's been working out really well. And I even have more room to grow. And then the nice thing about this little sticker album is that when you get to the back, like the pages are fused down the middle, so you have two pockets, but then in the back you have the full sheet, like it's not fused, so you can put the bigger size stickers in there. And that's what I've done here. I just put in some of the bigger sticker sheets that we got back here. And like I said, it's been working out really, really well. So this does bulk up though, you know, when you do have a lot of stickers, but it's okay because like I said, it works. And at least I know where all my mini freebies, you know, sticker samplers are. So that is my collection of my sticker binders. And I'm definitely working my way through it to use all the things, especially all the stickers. And there we go. So if you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions on how to make my sticker organization better, please let me know that as well. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos coming. And I think that is it. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Make sure you use all the things, especially the stickers. Use all the stickers. Use your stuff. That's what we're doing. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.